Guys, welcome back to this channel. Right now I'm going to explain to you how to create a chart in Google Sheets. Okay, the first one, you have to open your Google Sheets on your mobile Android phone. Android mobile phone. And you can create a new file or you can open the existing file. And I'm going to open my file tree. Okay. Wait a second, guys. Okay. And then you can add the table. You can add the table here because before you create the chart, you have to create a table to input the data. Or if you already have the table, you can copy paste the table here. Okay, I'm going to add the table here. Okay, wait. Okay, and after you add the table, you have to block this table like this, and then you have to click this icon, this plus icon. Okay, click this icon, and you have to click chart because we are going to make a chart. Click chart. Okay, and then you can choose the type of chart. You can choose maybe pie chart or like line chart or area or column chart, and I'm going to choose column chart. Okay, and then here your chart is ready. And that's all from me, guys. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.